Hello my friends, with this video I want to show you how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 5G. For that you will have two ways for it. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So you will need the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can set your preview, you can edit a screenshot or you can share it with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, then you have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. After you can share this edited part, or with the arrow, you can send it to your gallery. There's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that you will need the edge of your palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. One more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. If you want, you can have also a screenshot here at the front screen, and for that just use the power button and the lower volume key and just press them for short together and you're having here as well a screenshot of your front display. Yeah, and where to find your screenshots after? Of course, you're at the gallery, and here at the photos, they're mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to go always to the albums, because here you will have an own folder only for your capture d'écran. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much. Maybe we will see us next time again. Thank you. Ciao.